Welcome back to Quick Guide. In today's video, I am going to show you how can you change your username into Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Step 1. Open your Snapchat app. Firstly, you have to open your Snapchat application, and after opening the app, navigate to your profile by clicking to your profile button into the top left corner. Step 2. Go to the settings and select username. Now after going to your Snapchat profile, you can see this setting button into the top right corner. You just simply have to tap that, and after tapping there, you can see your username option here. Simply select your current username. Step 3. Change the username. Now after coming to your username, you can see this blue change username button here. You just simply have to tap into that and continue. But remember, your username can only be changed once a year. If you mistakenly change it once, you can change it for a whole year. Step 4. Change the username. Now after coming to change username section, you just simply have to erase your current username and type the new username for your account, and after typing the new username, just simply click to this blue next button and enter your password and click to confirm button here. After completing this step, your username will be successfully changed. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching.